So basically what we're doing right here, guys, we're getting the Soak Daddy. That's what we call it over here. Soak Daddy. We're gonna put it in between the windshield and the dash, so all the electronics won't get wet as we install the front windshield. So as you can see, we're just pushing it down there a little bit. And y'all can find this on the website. I'm gonna put the link down below at the end of the video. And I think you gotta push it more over there. Just like that. Stuff it in there. Gotta stuff it well enough to where whenever you install the tint, and it doesn't overlap the rope. And whenever you pull the rope out, be careful because tint does tend to come back out. I don't know, Nando, if you want to spray some water all the way around. Grab the la manguera. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so look, I'm finna show y'all. So I'm gonna spray just the bottom piece. I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna clean it. We clean the water, pushing it all the way down. Here, Nando. And then after that, we're gonna pull the Soak Daddy out. Pass it over here, Nando. So you can see all that water. You're gonna see all the water that would have been on your electronics. Automatically. This saves you from basically damaging your computer and any electronics down the road. So it makes life a lot more easier for installation. So that's about it.